I want to polish just a couple more things with the jumping punch before moving on. These little things might be really boring, but I think they're important. I think the jump timing is a little too soon, so I'm going to go into the jumping punch folder. Here's the jump script. I'm going to change the timing to 10%. So give the character a bit of time to wind up and then jump. Maybe even 15%. Okay, I think I like that. And might also want to make it move forward just a little more, and I'll increase the end of the graph here to 85%. Okay. I like it. I'm also going to test it on the platform, and I think it looks good. There was also this bug with the slide. If you press forward in the middle of the transition, you get stuck. Couldn't exactly figure out why that was happening, but found an easy solution. So here is the running slide, and from running slide to idle, I'll just get rid of this move condition. So after checking for all of the conditions, such as going to walk or run, if nothing fits, we just go back to idle if the character is grounded. So if I play again, so I can do the same thing, press forward while I'm in the transition, and we're not getting stuck anymore. So we can either go back to idle, go back to running, or keep running. Go back to walking, I mean. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'm going to finally move on to some other moves in the next video. See you next time.